Hello everyone, this is Namit. Today we are going to do the change in width of strikes of debit spreads. So now we will take a live example that Nifty is at 11,889. This is the closing of Nifty at 27th October 2020. Okay. First we'll take an example of a bear put spread. Okay. Bear put spread का example लेंगे. And what are these columns? First will be width. Second will be maximum profit, third will be maximum loss, fourth will be break even, and the fifth will be risk reward ratio. So these are the widths we are talking about, right? So over here I've written all the closing prices of the puts we need to calculate over here. Okay. So first example is a width of 50. अब ध्यान रखना 50 rupees का spread अपन ने previous modules में भी किया है. How to calculate, right? We have done all the spreads using a 50 point width, right? 50 point की width पे करते थे अपन. Now we have to compare it with a 100 point width and a 150 point width. ठीक है? तो क्या करना है अपन को यहाँ पर? First we'll take an example that we are buying 11,850 put and selling 11,800. Right? Buying higher, selling lower, bear put है, right? And the width over here is 50, right? 50 का difference है दोनों के बीच में, right? So now 11,850 put is trading at a premium of 60. 11,800 put is trading at 45. So 60 rupees we are giving and 45 rupees we are getting. 60 is the debit, 45 is the credit. Hence the net debit is 15. Okay. So over here maximum loss to 15 हो गया, right? Maximum loss we have got, that is 15. That is the net debit, right? अब ये 35 कहाँ से आया? 50 का width है, maximum loss is 15, so 50 minus 15 is 35, right? So the maximum profit is 35, right? Break even कैसे calculate होगा? Higher strike minus the loss. Higher strike minus the debit. Debit is 15, higher strike is 11,850. 11,850 minus 15 comes to 11,835, right? ये 11,835 आ गया. Now the risk reward ratio. So now if the risk is 15 rupees and you are getting 35, so the risk reward is 15 is to 35, which comes to 1 is to 2.4 approximately. Okay. This is approximately 1 is to 2.4. So this is the risk reward ratio. Okay. So we have completed the first spread, right? ये तो अपन ने पहले भी किया था, right? In the previous module. Now we will do a 100 point width. 100 point width कैसे होगा? 11,850 PE buy will be the same, but we will sell lower. That is, we will sell 11,750, right? So now 11,850 put is 60 rupees, simple, and 11,750 put is 30. So here we are giving 60 rupees and we are getting 30, right? 60 दे रहे हैं, 30 ले रहे हैं. 60 is the debit, 30 is the credit. Hence the net debit is 30 and hence the maximum loss over here is 30. Simple. 30 का हो गया यहाँ पर, right? And now the maximum profit over here would be the strike difference minus the loss. Strike difference, that is the width. Width is 100. 100 minus loss will give us the profit. 100 minus 30 is 70. Right? Break even. Higher strike minus debit. Higher strike is 11,850 minus the debit comes to 11,820. 11,850 minus 30. Okay? 11,820 आ गया. Now the risk reward. Now the risk reward would be almost the same, right? Both are getting doubled over here, right? So here the risk reward will be almost the same, which is 1 is to 2.3 or 2.4. Okay. Now the next one, which is a 150 point width. So now in a 150 point width, we are buying 11,850 put and we are selling even lower. That is 11,700 put. Okay. So now if we are buying 11,850 put at 60 and we are selling 11,700 put at 20, hence the net debit over here is 60 minus 20, which comes to 40. Hence the maximum loss is 40, right? And now the maximum profit over here is the width minus loss. Width is 150, loss is 40. 150 minus 40 is 110, right? Maximum profit is 110, right? And now the break even, higher strike minus debit. Higher strike is 11,850 and debit is 40. 11,850 में से 40 को minus करो, 11,810. Simple, right? And now the risk reward over here is 40 is to 110, which comes to 1 is to 2.7 approximately. So from this table, what can we understand? ये टेबल से अपन ये समझ सकते हैं that if we increase the spread, right, if we increase the width of the spread, right, our maximum loss increases, right, our maximum loss increases. Simple. अगर अपन अपने विथ बढ़ाते हैं स्प्रेड का, then the maximum loss increases as well as the opportunity to get maximum profit also increases, right? So what does this mean? It means that if you increase the width of the spread, that is if you increase the width, then the maximum loss increases as well as the maximum profit increases, right? If the width was 50, maximum loss was 15, profit was 35. If the width was 100, maximum loss was 30, profit was 70, right? So now this comes to the risk appetite of an individual. If you are happy to give 40 rupees, then you can take this spread because it has a maximum profit of 110 rupees, right? But if you don't have the risk to give 40 rupees to the market and you have the risk of only 15 rupees, right? अगर आपके पास रिस्क सिर्फ 15 रुपए है मार्केट को देने के लिए, then you have to take a 50 point with and not a 150 point with, right? So what does this mean? This means that if you increase the width of the spread, you have the opportunity to gain high profits with the risk of losing more money, right? ज्यादा पैसा डालो, ज्यादा पैसा आएगा. Simple as that. Okay. So over here, this was the first thing to look into. Now the second thing. The another thing to look into is the break even. Break even of a 50 point width was 11835, right? 11835 के नीचे जितना मार्केट गया, you would have profits, right? Now in a width of 100, your break even would go even lower, that is 11820. ठीक है? So what does this mean? That market 11820 के नीचे गया, then you would have profits, right? And if you take 150 point width, then the break even goes even lower to 11810. This means that a 50 point width has more opportunity to get you some profits, right? क्योंकि इसका break even थोड़ा नीचे, थोड़ा ऊपर है, right? And 100 and a 150 point width, the break evens are a bit lower, right? Because you are paying higher debit over here, right? तुम ज्यादा पैसा भर रहे हो यहाँ पर. So your break even comes down over here, right? As simple as that. So this was the concept of the width of a debit spread. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next module.